Hi guys, let's get into it. We got Veruca Salt with The Sound of Leaving. Let's check it out.
I'm awake and you're asleep. Brick house is breathing, breathing. Lying in the castle deep. Sink down, I'm dreaming, dreaming. Skin cold against the sheets. Deep south is freezing, freezing. And now I'm freezing. Hold on to me. It's the sound of leaving. Hold on to me. It's the sound of leaving. Slip out into the stars. Smoke sidle in your pocket. Suitcases in your car. You don't stop, you just can't stop it. Someday, somehow, you'll remember when you lost it. The day you lost it. Hold on to me. It's the sound of leaving, leaving. Hold on to me. It's the sound of leaving, leaving. Hold on to me. It's the sound of leaving, leaving. That's the sound. Sitting down against your will. Feel the planets rearranging. I lie here very still. The tiny whispers, the shiny whispers. Oh no, oh wow. The earth beneath our feet is shaking. And now you're breaking. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. That's the sound of leaving. That's the sound. Hold on to me. 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 That's the sound.
Okay, I actually enjoyed this one. Okay, I like it. What's killing me is the artwork of a whole all them faces. It's just like different expressions. It's just like okay, kind of creepy, but in a good way. Okay, I wasn't expecting to like this song, but it's good. It basically people go through this on a daily basis. Just gotta pick yourself up and take it one day at a time, cause it's not easy dealing with somebody, and you already know how that goes. So, with that being said, give me a like, comment down below some more suggestions, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.